Hello everyone, welcome. This is Sriharsha and welcome back to my LudumDare 32 live streaming. So this is part 10 and in this part I plan to finish off the AI, the artificial intelligence of the enemy robot, and so that I can focus more time on the polishing of the game. And I still yet have to add the introduction screen, a tutorial screen, the score screen and a game over screen, and all the other screens I still have to add them, but they are very small. But this AI is the very big task. So yeah, I changed the state switch function. So this idle is now a small function. So I have done shooting and idle tasks, and this moving, and moving should be done for small seconds. So first I'll do the shields. Okay, AI update shield, and I just have to, if I have to add shield time plus equal to delta, and if check state switch of elapsed is shield time, and the duration shield should only be on for 2 seconds. And for this i'll I just have to shield time is equal to 0, and if the shield time is greater than 2, it changes the shield that changes the state of this robot. So the shield time is 0, and I'm not drawing the shield here, so I'll first go to player robot and render and copy this. This is the shield, and in enemy robot shield, and this shield is AI state is equal to AI state dot shield. So now I have added yet another enemy robot, enemy shield, and yeah, enemy should now show seals. It is now in idle state. Yes. Okay, the shield is now working for the enemy robot. So the next thing is moving, and I have to add some, wait, private float moving, move direction, move time, and another float is required here for move direction. I could simply make this an integer because it's just -1 or +1. So in the move and update moving, it will move time plus equal to delta, and I'll just add change the velocity. So get velocity vector to velocity is equal to get velocity, and velocity dot x is equal to the movement speed is 4 times move direction, and set the velocity to velocity and check it with the moving. So if check state switch move, move time and delta, move time and time direction for moving is 1 second, and if here I will change the direction, move, this direction will be either left or right, and so I'll just switch the direction. So move direction less than equal to 0 question mark, move direction is equal to 1, otherwise 1, otherwise minus 1. So if it is less than 0 or equal to 0, we set it to 1, otherwise we set it to minus 1, and move time will be 0. So now let's check this moving. Eh, shield, it moved back, it moved front. Yes, I was able to kill the enemy. So this moving AI is now working, and the next thing I have to do is I have to wait idle time is float as these flights, these are floats, and I'm adding is delta, but I'm converting it to seconds. Yeah. Okay, I have to convert this delta to seconds as well. So time will start convert delta, time unit should be default time unit and to seconds. So this is the expression add to delta in every frame. So here and here. So now here, yeah. And coming to, I have implemented shield, moving, shooting, the idle, and the final thing I have to do is jump. So here, jumping will only happen once. So if on ground, if we are on ground, we can simply go to jump state, do jumping here, and then here set the state to idle. So a state is equal to idle. We just back to idle state, and from there we go to the different states. And here I just have to take this off, and this is okay because jumping should be calculated in any frame. So jump will only be initiated. I'll just keep it here, jumping, and here I'll increase the velocity to 10. The same goes to player, so a bit fast in jumping, and the player here too. Now in the enemy robot here, I'll have to initiate jumping. So in jump is equal to true, and jump time is equal to 0. So here, whenever we collide floor, on ground is equal to true, and in the update, I'm sure I'm doing on ground is equal to false. So yeah, so I have implemented almost all the AI myself. So let me now run it. So yeah, game is running. He's jumping there, shooting, shooting again, shield, short socks, shield. He shot socks again, moved back, jump. Okay, this is good enough. The basic AI is working. So the first thing I have to do is I have to remove this delta as it is not used in the jumping state. I don't want to unnecessary semicolon where okay here I'll take off unnecessary and in here it is unnecessary semicolon. Okay, moving, and there is no delta here, and yes, so yes, everything is now fine. So in this is now almost the end of the AI, and the thing I have to do now is I have to change these time units because the timing is okay. If I suppose I need to make them, suppose if I jump, it is going very high, so I have to remove this to just 1 second. Let me test. Okay, 1 minute. I'll have to first change in the player. So one, So 1 second is a lot more. So I think 0.75f for the player robot. It's working. So 0.75, I'll make it 0.78 and 0.78f. The same should be there in both places. The jump velocity is okay. I'll have to. AI is okay. And the idle, I want to make this idle as. Wait a minute. So this IRC is reset. So okay, broadcasting is fine. Live is there. I thought there might be a network issue. Okay, the update idle, it is 3 seconds. Is a lot more time. So I'll just reduce 1 second here for the idle state, and the moving state is 1 second. That is perfectly fine for moving. Updating jumping is almost good. The shield is 2 seconds is very much. So I'll instead make a 0.5f because shield is no more than half a second. That's not a needed. So let me check. Shield. Yeah. Okay, so this is working. 0.5f is more than enough. And I have to make sure that in the switch, this new state is not the current state. So I'll take it another here. So I have to optimize these. So no state repeats twice. But yeah, it's fine as it is now. So this is the end of this part 10. So thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, please click the like button below the video. And if you have any questions, please leave me a comment. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe me on the YouTube. So bye.